What's up, YouTube? I'm trying to put a camshaft in this 19 Ram 5.7 ProCharged. Right now I'm in the beginning stage of this thing, so taking a intercooler off. Got 2 bolts in the back. Hose is coming off. I'm gonna repipe all these cheap plastics with better stuff. So just the beginning stages. Sorry I can't. It's a one-man show here. Can't show you everything I do, but I'll try to get as much as content as I can. Thanks. Alright, YouTube. Process of taking the Procharger unit off. So the radiator's out. 1 bolt here. 1 bolt here. 1 bolt in the condenser. The other one down there. And here comes the radiator out. Empty the fluid. Pretty much Prochargers. Once the Procharger's out, I get to the intake. That's been coming up shortly here. Thanks for watching. What's up, YouTube? Back at it again. Procharger unit is out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and work on the intake. Take the intake off. Put this to the side, the vacuum. Try to disconnect the AC. Put it to the side. And then hopefully I can get to the heads today. If not, I'll be right back at this tomorrow. All right. So this is my out from the catch can. I got a new Moshimoto catch can for this. This is the in from the top of the intake. I got a truck intake for this unit. So then I'll be reviewing all these wires and make sure I plug everything back in the same way it's been set up here. I got 650 injectors in this, and I got a truck intake that's going to have a spacers to adapt to the 650 injectors. All right, let's get going. Let me introduce you to my sponsor here. This guy has been supporting me tremendously with my project. Hey, thanks for everything. Musa, hey, what should I do next? You stay inside, okay? I just need your far support. Don't be running around. Hey, I need you to support me from far away. Got it? Yeah? Yeah, that's a good support right there. Biggest sponsor here. All right, I was able to pull the intake off. I had to go get a fuel line tool. Where's it at? Right there. This is my 3-bar map sensor. That's where I'm at. We're gonna mask him off until tomorrow. Close these down so no birds get in there. Put a nest. Yep, that's where we're at. Alright, YouTube. So right now, taking these valve covers off. The passenger side was easy. Took the rocker arms off. Super easy to do. The driver's side is kind of a pain. For some reason, this molding that goes around the harness is super hard. So it's kind of hard to maneuver this thing around. I gotta get in the back and remove these 2 bolts back here for it to wiggle a little bit more. But the biggest struggle with this is not loosen up the bolts and stuff like that. It's just a lot of wiring, plugins, all these insane emission sensors and nonsense that's involved in this motors that causes a problem. So besides that, I think today I'm pretty much done. As soon as I take the valve covers off, I'll be working on the taking the heads off and working on the valves and all that other good stuff. I will post a video of when I'm sliding the cam in here. I gotta work on taking this off. That's probably gonna be a good another couple hours. The AC's gotta get detached, but the rest is going so far so good. All right, Mopar fans, trying to get you as much as content as possible. So I took the heads off. The heads are off right now. Working on getting the timing chain cover removed. I didn't get a chance. I thought I was gonna cam it today, but things came up. I'm not able to cam this today. But bring your attention to the spark plugs real quick. So this truck is tuned by Greene, and you can see 5,000 miles on this Procharger. These plugs are still looking new. So that's just tell you how good the tune is, you know, when he tunes your vehicle. Like I said, it's kind of one of those things where you're a fan or you're not a fan. I'm a big fan of this guy, and he does a fantastic job. So truck has almost 24,000 miles on it. I do regular oil changes. I'm about to change these valves to the pack springs, so it's gonna be looking strong when I put the cam in it. And I gotta clean all the surfaces. The most time consuming part of this whole project is trying to get everything clean. You know, that's some kind of a picky mutt when it comes to keeping everything clean and intact. So tomorrow I'll be taking these valves off, replacing them with the proper springs and shims, get them together, and then I'll be right back at this thing, trying to get this timing chain cover off, take the balancer off, and hopefully I can get this thing cam running by Sunday. That's my goal. I don't think it's gonna happen, but hey, we can try. So what I'm gonna do to wrap this up, I'm gonna rub some oil inside of the cylinders and put a cover on it to make sure that they don't rust. So far this is where I'm at. Cam 5.7 with a Procharger. Peace. What's up, fans? Sorry for the sunlight here. So I've taken the timing chain cover off. The crank is at 2 o'clock right there. Phaser was facing at 12 o'clock. So piston 1 is up with the... Alright, so flex plate is off. The cam, I'm just gonna pull it out super slow and pull the cam out, and then get a new cam, and I'll video. Hopefully I can have my neighbor or somebody video me, slide that in for you guys. All right, thanks for watching. Yeah. You gotta be real careful pulling this out because it will drop. Oh yeah. Come on, buddy. Good old cam, come on out. Yeah. Alright, so far so good. Nice. Woohoo! Look at that. Yeah, buddy. Alright, now I'm gonna stick this off. Look at that, huh? Good old cam. It's right out. Not so bad. Looks brand new still. Alright. Alright, Mopar fan. The moment of the truth right here. Turning the ram. Oh yeah, buddy.
want me to video this, or you just?
I'm already videoing. I put it right there. Thank you. It's almost in. Thank you, sir. Whew. Using a good old Comcam lithium grease right here. That's what they recommend. Oh yeah. Not too far from being done. Not too far. Yeah, buddy. Make it. That's pretty much it. I just gotta slide the rest through and we're done. Well, poor fan, I got this gearhead fabrication tool that I used to carry my Challenger that held the flex plate. So now I am at this stage of trying to hold this flex plate so it doesn't move on me, but this tool does not fit, so that's gonna hold me up for a little bit. Try to get this project moving forward. I'll figure out on Monday where we at with this and I'll update you guys, but I got other things to do. I still got to change the valves and springs and all the good stuff on there, so got other work to do besides this, but that's where we at so far. So got this tool from Gearhead Fabrication, apparently does not fit the Gen 5 RAM, so